Hi everyone, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and today we're gonna make a super easy recipe, and that's how to make thumbprint cookies perfect for the holidays. And remember that you can find the recipe at sweetysalado.com. The first step is to cream the butter with the sugar. So in a medium bowl, we're gonna add the unsalted softened butter. We're also gonna add the powdered sugar, and then we're gonna mix this until it's nice and creamy. Now we're gonna add a large egg yolk. We're also gonna add vanilla extract. We're also gonna add flour and a pinch of salt. And then we mix again. Now if you notice that your dough is a little bit crumbly, you can go ahead and add another egg yolk if you want. I don't like to do that, so what I do is I add a little bit of milk until my dough is nice and manageable. And now we're going to place the dough on a flat surface and knead it for a little bit until it's nice and smooth. And once we notice that the texture is just like this, we know that our dough is ready. And now we're going to divide our dough into small balls. And to make it easier, I'm using this ice cream scooper, which measures exactly 1 tablespoon, so that way all of my cookies are the same size. Now we're going to place the cookies on a baking sheet that's covered with parchment paper or a silicone mat, and we're going to slightly press them. And then with our thumbs, we're going to make a well in the center. And finally, we're going to fill them with our favorite jam. I'm using strawberry, but you can use any kind of jam that you want. And make sure you don't overfill. I probably use about half a teaspoon, and that's perfect. Now we're going to bake them at 325 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until you notice that the bottoms are slightly golden brown. And once your cookies are done, you're going to notice that they're dry on the outside and they're slightly golden brown on the bottom. And that's your recipe for making thumbprint cookies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. And finally, remember that the list of ingredients with all the measurements can be found at sweetysalado.com.